Alright guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing an alternator replacement on a 2008 Hummer H3 3.7. Stay tuned. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is get these connectors out of the way. Pull this off. Lift this out. Why they would do that. That's ridiculous. I get a door panel clip tool or something and remove that. Alright, once you got that out, you can deal with the strap. It's 13. And this will just come out. Use a nifty tool like this to get it out. And now, so I pull this out. Oh wow, they did it again. Alright, we got that off. Oh wow. Finally. Jeez. Okay. Now we can kind of see the alternator. Try to get this connector unplugged. There we go. There's 2 pins. You just push this down. And there's the B bus terminal right here. Gotta take that off. And that's what it looks like here. Should be a 13. If I can get in there. Now some of this stuff is really hard to do with one hand. Oh, there we go. And of course, it's in the wrong position. There we go. I got it right. Now it's on the off. And you guys stay tuned for the struggle here. There we go. That's what we need. Look at that one one finger catch right there. Alright, moving on. Now I want to remove this bracket. 1, 2, 3 bolts, I believe. There's actually a 4th bolt right here that we need to get as well. 3 13s and a 10. Anyway, we got pretty good access to the alternator. I'll go ahead and get the belt off and start working on these 2 bolts. I've got a can't even tell. Okay, it's a 3/8 square hole right here, and I think we're going to want to push it down. So let me grab that. Alright, so I got my belt tool in there. Actually lines up perfectly. So by pushing it this way, we can relieve the tension and pull the belt off. Alright, so in this hole, and then there's another one in this area, I used my door panel tool to pry this harness up, and I bungeed it over here so that we brought some room around this alternator. There's a bolt here, and a 3rd one at the bottom. We'll get started on those. Alright, so I was able to get the bottom bolt out with a 15 deep and a 3/8 ratchet, and you have to stick your hand down between here, and the bolt is kind of in this general area, and it is a real bitch to get your hand between there, so be prepared for that. You might have a little extra space here, and then you can slide back, but I did get it out. Top 2 are pretty easy. Do those next. Alright, now that you have all the bolts out, it's just a matter of physically removing the alternator. So we're going to do that now. A lot of people take the fan shroud out. I'm going to try to avoid that, because I'm pretty sure I've done this before by just pulling it out through here, but we'll find out. Alright guys, it was a pain in the ass, but we got that alternator out of there without taking the fan shroud out. I'll show you what I did. So I did disconnect the fuel line, and I used whatever the smallest one is on these tools. Got to get you one of these, and I got it off with that. And then I don't know if it helped much, but I took this bolt out, which just holds this bracket to this AC line, and you basically want to pull this way as much as you possibly can. And between that and taking the fuel line out, I was able to get it out through here. It was rubbing against this and this lightly as it came out, but I did not damage anything, and I did get it out. So we'll put the new one in now. When you're going back in, you want to kind of start it out like that, with the 2 holes on this side, the 1 hole on this side, and you're just going right between these 2 lines here. Then you want to kind of turn it like that, and it should fall down into place. Like that. Nice and easy. Once you got the bolts in, you can go ahead and reconnect the electrical connectors. Don't forget to put this bolt back in if you took it out. Then we can go ahead and put our new belt on. Just route it the same way it was before and push this that way. You'll be able to get it over the alternator pulley. Alright, so I replaced the belt on this particular vehicle. If you are doing that as well, you can find the routing just by looking at this, or you can look up a picture on Google. If you're not replacing it, you can just push your belt tool back this way and slide the belt over the alternator. Next, we want to put the bracket that went right here back on with those 4 bolts. Alright, once you get that bracket back on, you can pretty much go ahead and put your battery back in and reconnect it, and we are pretty much all finished up. That's the end of our alternator replacement video today on this 2008 Hummer H3 3.7 liter. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for many more videos to come. See you next time.